With more than 8 years of experience in electronics manufacturing, Energia Private Limited is one of the leading manufacturers of electrical control panels and LED lights. Based in Gandhinagar, the capital of Gujarat, India, we provide state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities with a qualitative range of products in large quantity. The company was established in 2014 by Mr. Dikshit Patel, Mr. Mehul Patel, Mr. Ashish Jindal and Mr. Ketan Patel. Currently, we are manufacturing more than 1,000 control panels and more than 1 million LED lights in a year. We are the leading manufacturer, wholesaler and exporter of wide range of power distribution panel, MCC panel, APS-C panel, automation panels and LED indoor lights, LED street lights and LED flood lights. We have become a trusted partner for prestigious brands like Indian Oil, Maruti Suzuki, Airports Authority of India, GSECL, Siemens Gamesa, BHEL and NHPC. DMake is a blend of experienced and youth, and this is our most precious and valued resource. The senior management comprises technocrats with a wealth of experience not only in the field of lighting but in diverse fields ranging from research and development, materials, production, sales and marketing, project management, customer support and finance. They are ably supported by a highly motivated, energetic and enthusiastic team of engineers and technicians who are totally committed to the company values and driven towards building a robust value chain comprising our customers, our people, our suppliers and other supporting agencies. We have a large set of machines for sheet metal CNC bending, sheet metal laser cutting, welding and powder coating. We also have in-house PCB machines like PCB printing machine, etching machine and pick and place machine. In our assembly area, we have a large number of skilled workers who assemble the LED lights with utmost care, and the testing part is also done very carefully. The electrical control panels are also tested very carefully by our technicians before the packaging and shipping process is done. The finished products are then ready to be shipped to our clients in India as well as overseas. Our long association with leading international manufacturers in LEDs and electronics allows us access to latest advancements in both components and technology. This allows us to produce products using the most contemporary technologies and processes adhering to highest prescribed standards. At Energia, it is our customers that counts. Energia is certified with Bureau of Indian Standards, Quality Control Certification, CPRI test, ISO 9001-2015, Roads and Building Department, ROHS, and Startup India. Energia is all about innovation, excellence and quality.